Snow has been falling pretty much all day, and we are still in the thick of it.
We sure are, and in some areas we are seeing a little more sleet starting to mix in. Here's what we know right now. In the city, the extreme cold may have played a role in the deaths of what is now 6 people. Also today, Mayor Mamdani announcing city schools will go remote tomorrow. The storm making it dangerous on our roads. LaGuardia Airport is shut down until at least 8 p.m.
And then in New Jersey, NJ Transit service has been suspended. We have team coverage across the area tonight. Let's begin with Lonnie Quinn. He is in our virtual studio with the latest on our forecast. The snow's still coming down, Lonnie.
Still coming down. You know, you look, you guys were just talking about some sleet mixing in there. Even southern New Jersey's got some rain falling currently, and I am worried about some freezing rain out there, but we'll go through everything. So here's the picture right now. You can't see too much, right? Lousy visibility. Here's what I want to address right now. I think these are the important questions you're probably wondering. How long is this going to last? When is it over? We'll get into that. Snow totals, what are they right now? What's the final number going to be? And when does all of this melt? So let's start off with that first question. Well, how much longer does this last? And hey, if you take a look here, we're covered right now with precipitation, top to bottom. There are no dry slots out there. We're all picking up precipitation in and around New York City. Starting to see a little flash of purple here or there. So we do have some freezing rain. We've got some rain, plain old rain down on the Jersey Shore. But watch out, because surface temps, like for a pavement, can still be cold enough for some slick spots and some freezing rain to develop there as well. So first question, how much longer? It is steady snow north and west right now all through midnight. The bulk of it is still playing out for you. It is sleet and snow in New York City and points south and east. Way to the south, you've got rain out there until about 11 p.m. And it breaks up a little bit earlier south of New York City, hangs on out east. All Monday, for anybody in the area, you have the chance to see a sporadic snow shower at any point in time. It could accumulate, you betcha, add to the number, but it would be a minor accumulation. All right, so there's your storm timeline. Now through 7 p.m., the heaviest snow, 7 to 9, and it starts to, and you get that mix that we're involved with. So snow reports look like this. Bridgeport, Connecticut is right now at 13 inches. We believe you're going to add about another 1.6. You finish up, again, this final line that you see there, those are all estimates. Bridgeport finishes about 14.6. Newark, you're at 9.8. You finish at about 11.4. LaGuardia, 9 inches. You finish at 11. East Elmhurst in Queens right now is already at 13.5. Central Park, you're at 8.8. I think you finish up 10.4. These are broad estimates, right? JFK, 8.3, finishing at 9.8. Islip, 7 inches, finishing, closer to 9 inches or so. And again, you're going to have pockets with more or less around those areas, but I just want to give you an overall estimate of how this is working out. But we'll be back here, guys, in about 10, 15 minutes more to give you more details on our storm. Well, the storm of 2026 so far, guys. It's all yours.
Yeah, not over yet. Thank you, Lonnie.
Let's head over to Westchester County now, where we saw a lot of drivers, and I mean a lot, getting stuck on the major Deegan.
Dick Brennan was there, and he joins us now live at Yonkers with more details. Dick.
Yeah, bad day on the roads, bad night on the roads, Alan and Christina. You heard what Lonnie said. You heard what Mayor Mamdani said about things are only going to get worse. Stay off the roads. We can tell you right now, we are feeling some of that change. It's mostly sleet right now, maybe even a little rain thrown in, so the roads are getting icier. We're going to show you some video right now that we shot a couple of hours ago, I guess, right before the sun set, right off the major Deegan, the exit ramps on 13 and 14. Now, this is really bad, and it's indicative of what we're seeing all around, because we've driven all around lower Westchester and parts of the Bronx, as you can see. Even the heavy vehicles are having a hard time digging into the snow, and because the precipitation is changing, well, now you got to throw in some of the possibilities of ice. All we can tell you is really good idea to stay off the roads. Many of them are definitely not plowed to the ground, and many not plowed at all on the side streets too. So good idea to stay home. In the meantime, the people who do go out are walking, and they're pretty bundled up. Take a look. This looks very warm, by the way, right?
It's very warm. The best coat ever.
I'm not sure. Is that a scarf or something in between?
This is a scarf polo, by the way. Yeah, this is a scarf slash goose down.
Oh, this is high style. You said polo.
And this is a biggie. This is called a biggie. This coat
biggie.
right here, you don't feel nothing. I got a tank top under.
Oh, really? Yeah, I can believe that. How's it walking out here? So you guys safe, slipping?
It was all right.
It's not that bad.
Now, we can tell you the plow guys have been at it. You can see these piles are piling up all around in the parking malls, and that means there'll be fewer spots. And the real big problem, as you've been hearing, is based on the cold, that snow is not going anywhere anytime soon. We're live in Yonkers. Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.
Yeah, well below average temperatures. We're stuck here for a bit. Thank you, Dick.
And Mayor Mamdani has been out and around the city today.
And he made a stop at the city's Emergency Management Operations Center in Brooklyn. The mayor also announced city schools will be remote tomorrow.
There will be no in-person instruction. All after-school programs, adult education, and school-based programming has been canceled. We want the city to know that our teachers, administrators, and students are prepared for this.
And then over in Williamsburg, the mayor actually picked up a shovel and helped someone whose car was stuck, helping them to get out safely.
Everybody lending a helping hand. Over in New Jersey, drivers are urged to stay indoors due to the dangerous road conditions.
Christy Kalishian is in Monmouth County with the latest from there. Christy, that turnover is starting to happen.
Yeah, KJ and Alan, we're really starting to see that here, but still these plowers have been out in the parking lot, still working hard. I can show you just what conditions are looking like, kind of an indicator as to how low these temperatures are getting out here. We're seeing some massive icicles out here that can possibly be dangerous if we're standing under certain covers like where we are now. Just to give you an idea here, these are just, I mean, my goodness. So just to give you an idea out here. And also, New Jerseyans, they just don't stop. They were out here all day. We're still seeing them come in and out of the ShopRite, which is very much still open. Here's what they have in their shopping carts.
Just the perfect day to stay inside and just get stuck inside.
And yet you are out here.
Oh yeah, I walked here. I drove here, but I was walking too. It's not even so bad.
You can say New Jerseyans are just built different. Mario O'Donnell admits he procrastinated with getting cat food, and for himself, comfort food. He wasn't alone. Lisa Alemo from Homedale says she had no choice but to go to ShopRite since other stores ran out of bread and eggs.
How was the driving getting here?
So-so.
Yeah. How were the roads? Were a lot of them plowed?
Not really.
It was dangerous. Yeah, I actually got to get back right now.
Oh yeah, you don't recommend it?
No, not right now. No.
They're taking more of a do what I say, not what I do approach when it comes to the local roadways, along with the Garden State Parkway, which had varying conditions, and plow trucks trying to keep up. Plow truck driver Luis Villa advises drivers,
it's a little ugly out here. You don't want to be out here.
But the dangerous work these drivers do hasn't gone unnoticed.
You got to take your hats off to the people that's out here really trying to get this stuff done efficiently and effectively for the people to maneuver.
For now, though, if there's no more essential travel to do as the deep freeze kicks in, it's time to stay inside and make the most of the scenery, like Oldani, who's an art student.
I want to paint it. I want to paint, like I oil paint, and this would be an interesting landscape.
And Mario actually has our contact information, hoping to get that oil painting soon. I'm sure it's going to look beautiful. Also hearing that temperatures are expected to fluctuate and that this is going to become kind of like a rain situation, and that is expected to freeze over with these low temperatures. So definitely keeping an eye on how conditions progress here throughout the night. And we're live in Hazlet, New Jersey. Christy Kalishian, CBS News, New York.
Christy, thank you.
Governor Mikey Sherrill says crews are working around the clock to keep the streets safe.
The governor actually spoke with us earlier today. Here's what she said.
We pre-treated or brined many of the streets here so that they were ready for this, so we had the best possible results. We moved into plowing operations as we had a lot of that heavy snow coming down. As we've gone into this icing situation, we're now seeing movement into a lot of these salting operations to melt the ice and get down to blacktop as quickly as we can.
Governor Sherrill says utility crews are on standby and warming centers are set up around the state.